There are several phrases associated with the Statue of Liberty, but the most recognizable is, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free." This quote comes from Emma Lazarus and a poem that she wrote for a fundraiser auction to raise money for the pedestal on which the Statue of Liberty now sits. The poem did not receive much recognition and was quite forgotten after the auction.
The Statue of Liberty, the symbol of freedom and liberty and America and everything that's great about this country. There she is, Lady Liberty, standing there in all of her blue-green glory. But she wasn't supposed to be this color. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France back in 1885 as a way of commemorating our fight for independence and their own aspirations towards democracy. This 305-foot statue was built over 9 years in sections of copper skin on top of an iron skeleton. According to the National Park Service, the statue has about 30 tons of copper, which is enough to make 435 million pennies. Yes, bright reddish gold pennies. But the Statue of Liberty isn't the same color as, well, any penny I've ever seen. So, how to explain Lady Liberty's color change? Simple. You change colors too if you stayed outside in that New York City polluted air for almost 150 years. I'm kidding. Well, mostly. It all comes down to chemistry. During her first few decades in the Big Apple, the statue slowly turned from that shiny copper color to a dull brown, and then finally to the blue-green, or as they say back in France, verdigris that we see today. Officials suggested trying to restore her to the original color or painting her, but after public outcry, they decided to leave her the way she is, and she'll continue to look like that until Dr. Zaius shows up. Anyway, her color change happened because of oxidation reactions between copper and the air. Now I know some of you smarty pants might be saying, well, duh, but copper's patina is more complicated than just one reaction. It's due to about 30 years worth of oxidation reactions creating a mixture of minerals. So let's get into it. Now, when an atom loses electrons in a chemical reaction, it's called oxidation. This process was first observed in reactions that involved oxygen, hence the name, but it can happen with other elements too. The color change